Now it's time to expand the home row a little bit and give the index fingers and right little finger some extra responsibility. With your fingers lightly resting on the home row, you will notice that there are two keys in the center of the keyboard, the G and H keys. These keys are typed with the indexed finger closest to the corresponding key. For example, the left index finger is used to type the G key, and the right index finger is used to type the H key. Remember, once a keystroke is made, the finger should always return to its initial position on the home row. As you can see, when I type the letter G, my index finger moves slightly to the right to the rest on the G key. All of my other fingers remain in their home row position, and after G is pressed, my index finger returns to the home row. The same goes for the H key as I type it with my right index finger.